I'm Corey from DIX Performance North, and today we're going to be talking about the new Injen X Pedal Pro throttle sensitivity booster. Do you own a late model vehicle and find that you're frustrated with slow or sluggish throttle sensitivity? Well, the Injen X Pedal Pro completely solves that problem. Inside the box is the in-dash controller, the throttle input module, and all of the wiring and accessories you'll need to do the install. It installs easily in about 5 minutes. The X Pedal Pro has lots of great features, including 9 different sports settings, increasing the throttle sensitivity with each level. And if you're trying to save on fuel, the X Pedal has 7 eco settings. Lock the Throttle is an innovative anti-theft feature which can disable all throttle input at the push of a button. And if you like to go to your local track, you can also access the X Pedal Pro's launch control features with anti-skid settings. You'll find the Injen X Pedal Pro in stock at DIX Performance North.